Topic: equation of linear motion. A linear motion is a motion on a ground level. Example: the movement of a vehicle from one point to another. There are three main equations of motion. Number 1, V equals U plus AT. Number 2, S equals UT plus half AT squared. And number 3, V squared equals U squared plus 2AS. The derivation are shown below. Velocity time graph. This is a graph which depicts the motion of an object during an interval of time. The figures below show the velocity time graph of vehicles traveling from one point to another. A shows a vehicle starting from rest. In the figure, O represents zero velocity, UA represents uniform acceleration, UV represents uniform velocity, and UR represents uniform retardation. At PQ, there is no increase in velocity or speed. While figure B illustrates a journey that does not start from rest. UV represents uniform velocity, UA represents uniform acceleration, and UR represents uniform retardation. Question 1. A vehicle moving at a speed of 2 meters per second attained a final velocity of 10 meters per second in 4 seconds. Find the distance covered by the vehicle. Solution. Since V is equal to U plus AT, that is 10 equals 2 plus A times 4. When cross multiplied and simplified, A will give us 8 over 4, which is 2 meters per second squared. 2. A stone initially at rest was kicked by a boy and it attained a final velocity of 16 meters per second after accelerating at the rate of 4 meters per second squared. Determine the time taken for the stone to attain such acceleration. Solution. V equals U plus AT. That is 16 equals 0 plus 4t. T becomes 16 over 4, which is 4 seconds. Number 3. A vehicle moving at an initial velocity of 18 meters per second came to complete stop after decelerating at the rate of 4 meters per second squared. How long did it take the vehicle to attain such velocity? Solution. V equals U minus AT because acceleration is negative since the vehicle is slowing down. So 0 equals 18 minus 4t. When we collect like terms, t becomes 18 over 4, which is 4.5 seconds. Number 3. What is the acceleration of a body which was initially at rest and which covered a distance of 20 meters in 12 seconds? Solution. S equals ut plus half at squared. Then 20 equals 0 plus half a times 12 squared. When cross multiplied and simplified, we arrive at a equals 5 over 18 meters per second squared. Number 5. What is the final velocity of a body which initially accelerated at the rate of 3 meters per second squared and at a velocity of 2 meters per second and which covers the distance of 10 meters? Solution. V squared equals U squared plus 2AS. V squared equals 2 squared plus 2 times 3 times 10. When we square both sides, we have root 64, which is equal 8 meters per second. That is square root of 64, 8 meters per second. That brings us to the end of the topic, equations of linear motion.